Hey guys, it's Ramo. Feeling tired and unmotivated? It could be low testosterone levels. Testosterone boosts muscle, energy, and focus, but it declines with age. Good news, you can boost it naturally. Food can support your testosterone levels. In this video, 7 foods to help you out. Let's get started. First up, we have leafy greens like spinach, kale, and collard greens. These nutritional powerhouses are packed with magnesium. Magnesium plays a key role in boosting testosterone. Leafy greens are also low in calories and high in fiber. Maintaining a healthy weight is important for hormone balance. Add spinach to your morning smoothie, saute kale with garlic, or toss collard greens into your soup. Boost your testosterone naturally with leafy greens. Next on our list are fatty fish like salmon, tuna, and sardines. These swimmers are loaded with healthy fats including omega-3 fatty acids, which are crucial for overall health, including hormone production. But it's not just the healthy fats that make fatty fish great for testosterone. They're also packed with zinc and vitamin D. Zinc acts like a building block for testosterone, while vitamin D functions more like a manager, making sure your body produces enough of it. Aim to eat fatty fish at least twice a week to reap the testosterone-boosting benefits. Not a fan of fish? No worries. You can also get omega-3s, zinc, and vitamin D through high-quality fish oil supplements. Now, who's ready for some good news? Dark chocolate and cocoa products are not only delicious but can also give your testosterone levels a boost. That's because cocoa is a rich source of magnesium, which we know is crucial for testosterone production. But the benefits of cocoa don't stop there. It's also packed with antioxidants, those powerful compounds that fight off damaging free radicals in your body. Free radicals can actually interfere with testosterone production, so loading up on antioxidants is a smart move. Remember, we're talking about dark chocolate here, with at least 70% cocoa content to get the most benefits. Enjoy a small piece of dark chocolate as a treat, or add unsweetened cocoa powder to your smoothies or oatmeal. Chapter 4. Eggs. Crack open. More testosterone. Let's talk about eggs, an incredibly versatile and nutrient-rich food. While the egg white is a great source of protein, it's the yolk where the testosterone-boosting magic really happens. Egg yolks are packed with healthy fats and a trace mineral called selenium. Selenium plays a crucial role in testosterone production, acting like a shield to protect your testosterone from being broken down too quickly in the body. So don't be afraid to enjoy the whole egg. Most people can safely enjoy eggs every day as part of a healthy diet. Chapter 5. Avocados, the green gems for testosterone. Next, we have avocados, those creamy, delicious fruits, yes, fruits, that are packed with healthy fats. We know healthy fats are essential for hormone production, and avocados are a great source of them. But avocados have even more to offer when it comes to testosterone. They're a good source of magnesium, which we've already talked about, and they also contain a trace mineral called boron. Boron may play a role in keeping your testosterone levels steady. Enjoy half an avocado a day sliced on toast, mashed in guacamole, or added to salads. Chapter 6. Pomegranate, the ancient fruit for modern men. Pomegranates have been prized for their health benefits for centuries, and for good reason. These vibrant fruits are full of antioxidants, even more than green tea and red wine. We already know antioxidants can help protect testosterone from damage, but pomegranates have another trick up their sleeve. Studies have shown that drinking pomegranate juice can actually boost testosterone levels and even improve mood. Try adding pomegranate seeds to your yogurt or salads, or enjoy a glass of pure pomegranate juice. Chapter 7. Shellfish, unleash your inner testosterone powerhouse. Last but not least, let's talk about shellfish, including oysters, clams, and mussels. These tasty treats are like the multivitamins of the sea, packed with essential nutrients that can support your testosterone levels. Shellfish are particularly rich in 2 key minerals, zinc and selenium. Remember, zinc is like a building block for testosterone, while selenium acts like a bodyguard, protecting it from harm. Include shellfish in your diet a couple of times a week to reap the testosterone-boosting benefits. 7 amazing foods that can naturally support your testosterone levels. Start by incorporating 1 or 2 into your diet. Small, consistent changes can make a big difference. Check out our detailed video linked below. Your body and mind will thank you.